the award for the best overall. So the champions. So this team scored well across the board. So the final results, everyone is waiting for the champions for the 2024 Game of Apps competition is Team the Asians. The Asians. All right, congratulations, Team Asians. So you all get a little personal trophy as well, just like all the others, with your names engraved and all that. But you also, where is it? You also get this. This is the Game of Apps Championship Trophy. Well, you don't get it. I mean, but your names will be engraved on it. So so these are the names of all the teams that have won in prior years. So we'll be adding your team name here to this giant trophy. So anything you want to tell us? How do you feel right now, Team the Asians?
Happy, I guess, because all our hard work paid off, and we worked very well as a team, and I'm pretty sure none of us would have it any other way.
Okay, wonderful. How about the others? Any other words?
Yeah, we came a long way from the start. Like personally, I had no experience with designing or coding or anything. So to see that we actually won the championship is great to see.
Awesome. Did you guys know each other prior to joining Game of Apps, or are you all like first time meeting in Game of Apps?
We know each other personally, but Janie.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the newbie to the team. They
Yes.
all know each other.
You're the AI to the team. Okay, congratulations. Awesome. Good job. So we'll contact you once everything is ready, and then we'll arrange for pickup, and we'll take pictures and all that. So congratulations again.